Hi guys, I'm Tiana Michelle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a black owned business haul for you all. So this is a new series that I will be incorporating on my channel, and I figured that it would be perfect to start it in February, being that it is Black History Month. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We'll be starting with jewelry first. So I purchased from two jewelry brands. So a few weeks back, I posted on my Instagram stories asking for some black owned jewelry brands. I had found one myself, but I haven't purchased anything from them yet. You guys reached out to me. Some of you guys gave me some really good brands, and there are also some of you who actually introduced me to your brand. So I'm gonna start out with that brand first. So this first brand is called Sisters Not Twins Co. She has an Etsy shop, and she reached out to me on Instagram when I was asking for black owned jewelry brands. She told me about her own, so I went and checked out her Etsy shop, and she has really beautiful pieces. They are made with polymer clay, so I ended up purchasing a pair of earrings, and she sent me an extra pair, and here they are. They are so pretty. So this is the pair that I bought. Like, those are just really beautiful. And if you guys follow me on Instagram and you see my pictures, you'll see that I love earrings. I always have on earrings. I love statement earrings, even though most of the time you can't even see them because of my hair. I love earrings. She also sent me these ones, and they're just so beautiful. These are really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle. And these are handmade pieces. So I'm going to include her Etsy shop down in the description box below so that you guys can check out her jewelry. The next jewelry brand that I am about to show is also one that one of you recommended to me, and on Instagram, she is called Bold X Monique. By the way, everything that I'm talking about in this video, I will include it down in the description box so that you guys can check it out on your own. So the person who owns this company did not reach out to me. It was actually one of you that recommended her, and I'm really glad that you did, because she makes fade resistant jewelry, and that's really important to me because a lot of my jewelry, I do not take off. My Nefertiti necklace, for instance, I do not take this off at all. I even shower with it. So these pieces that I'm about to show you, you can get them wet and you can leave them on if you want to and not worry about them fading and turning colors. She makes really beautiful affirmation rings. I want to purchase more affirmation rings from this brand, but the first one that I got is this one that says she is evolving. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I just got the ring to go on my middle finger, and I got it in a size 7 because most rings are too big to go on my ring fingers, because I wear like a size 4.5, 5, and they didn't have that size on the website, so I was like, I'll just get a ring to go on a different finger, and this one fits perfectly. So yeah, love it. I also got a necklace and a bracelet from them. I wear necklaces quite often too. I don't wear bracelets very often, but I want to get one anyways. This is the necklace. And then there's a matching bracelet to go with it as well. Also, the jewelry comes in like their own little boxes. Next, I'm going to move on to hair and nail accessories. I'm gonna start off with a brand that I recently worked with. Her brand is called Covered by Miriam, and she sells really beautiful head wraps. This one was sent to me from her. You may already be familiar with this head wrap. It's a really huge wrap that can be worn in many different styles, and I've been wearing this one quite often, and I think it's a really beautiful color and it's great quality. It's a sort of jersey material. It's very stretchy. I actually went on her website and ordered more head wraps because I just really love these. This is one of the wraps that I got. So I got this one because it's just it's really pretty. Has like these nice gold sequins on it. So it's white with gold sequins. And I just feel like this head wrap would be really cute to wear when you want to like really stand out. And she actually sent me this black one as well. I mean, you could always use black. This is another head wrap. It's a jersey wrap and it is a bit smaller than the green one. But I definitely recommend Covered by Miriam if you're looking for head wraps. Next, I have these hair accessories from Swirly Curly. These were actually sent to me. They sent me a hair drying turban. It's to be microfiber on the inside, and then it is satin on the outside, and it's really, really cute. Like, I can be cute during wash day. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And I think you just put it over your head, like you cover your hair with it during wash day, wrap it, then clip it back. Something like that. They also sent me some more stuff that are in this package. They sent this. It's like a little hair clip and it says natural. They sent me some hair ties, a snap headband. Ooh, this feels really soft. I just want to take this out. So they sent they sent this headband. I want to take it out the box because it's really, really soft. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And they also sent some scrunchies. Yeah, that is super cute. They're specifically made for curly hair, meaning that they're probably a lot more gentle than some other hair accessory brands. A while ago, I ordered some press-on nails and I've not worn them yet just so I could film this haul, but you guys, I cannot wait. They're from a brand called Press On Honey. Now let's see what's in the box. So the top is a sort of nude nail with yellow, orange, and blue abstract designs. Bottom kind of reminds me of fall colors. And it's also in medium long coffin. And I just had to get these. I know it's not fall anymore, but these are just so pretty. I started wearing press-on nails last summer, but then I stopped. I don't know why, but I am so excited to start wearing them again and starting off with these. I'm probably going to be purchasing these quite often. For them to be handmade, it did not take that long for them to ship to me. I have ordered from press-on companies in the past that have taken quite a long time because they are making them by hand, but these did not take long for me to receive. They came in the amount of time that I was told that it would take for them to get here, and I'm so excited to wear them. These press-on nails also come with a nail file and some nail glue and a buffer. So that comes in handy. Next, I'm going to move on to hair products. So this next brand is Pattern Beauty. And I've wanted to try Pattern Beauty's products since they came out, but I just never purchased any. I don't know why. He recently came out with a scalp serum and hair mask, and when I saw these, I immediately fell in love with the packaging, and I just had to try them out. I got this scalp serum. Some of the scalp serum, and so far I like the way that it works. Like, I'm all about scalp products because I suffer from my own scalp issues, so I'm excited to try this for a while and see how it works overall. And next, I got the Pattern Treatment Mask. I've never purchased a hair mask before that has this sort of jelly consistency. Like, it's very lightweight. It's also 15 fluid ounces. That is a very nice amount for a deep conditioner. If you guys saw my most recent product review, that is something that I complained about with hair masks being such a small amount when it's geared towards people who have thick hair. So the last hair product brand that I'll be talking about today is Organic Grow Hair Co. And these products were sent to me by this brand. And I've been using these products for a few weeks and I am in love As I'm showing you guys these products, you can probably see that some of them are half full or almost gone. Lets you know that I've been using them for a while. I don't know why I had never heard of this brand before they reached out to me, but their products work really well. The line that they sent me is specifically for people who have low porosity hair, although their line overall is geared towards length retention and long hair growth. So first off, they sent me their Redo Pre-Poo. I've already used about half of this. They sent me their Grow Poo. This is their shampoo, and it is very cooling on the scalp, which I love. I love anything that makes my scalp feel really nice. Also got their Grotein Free conditioner, and this can be used as a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner. Next, they sent this leave-in conditioner, and it is the Vegan Grow-Gurt. I have used this a few times, and as you can see, it has a very thick consistency, so you don't have to use a lot. This jar is still pretty much full, even though I have used it quite a few times, and I like how soft it makes my hair feel before styling. So now for the styling product, they sent me the Mega Man-Gro Moisture Milk. And this is a very lightweight product, which is perfect for people with low porosity hair. And it's also a type of product that I need to use more often rather than using such heavy products on my hair when I am prone to buildup. They sent me the Stimulating Scalp Beverage. And I must say, this packaging is just beautiful. This is so pretty. And this product is packed with essential oils, so you do not need to use a lot of it. The last category that I will be showing you all is art. I have been obsessed with this artist from Sydney, Australia. I have been ordering her art all the way from Australia to be shipped across the world to me because it's just worth it. I actually take my camera around to show you guys where I have her pieces up in my house. I believe I have 5 pieces that are hanging up. One in my bathroom. I have 2 in my bathroom, 2 in my bedroom, and 1 in my living room. You guys have probably already seen the one that's hanging up in my living room if you have already watched my living room tour. So let me grab my camera so I can go ahead and take you guys around. It for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and remember that your support helps me out so much more than you know, especially as a smaller and newer channel. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, I'm gonna leave it right up here for you. Yep, right here. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.